Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tasia Unlimited. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this fun and festive look. So if you guys want to see how I did it, stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is applying my primer, and this is from Milk. This is the Hydro Grip Primer that will just serve as my base. It's so hydrating. I really love it. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to be going in with this matte and poreless little powder. This is by Maybelline. So this is in the color 330 Toffee Caramel. Alright, so next I'm going to be going in with my foundation. I'm going to be using my Lancome Broad Spectrum 24-Hour Comfort Wear, and this is the color 465 Suede C. Alright, next I'm going to be going in with my concealer. I'm going to try this new one. This is from LA Girl Pro Concealer. I want it to be just a little bit lighter. And this concealer is in GC 973 Creamy Beige. This is from Patricia Bright, the Makeup Revolution. This one is Rich in Life, the Jet Setter. That looks a little bit darker. And take my brush, I'm gonna just do harsh line. All right, honey, I am finished. Yes. No, I'm gonna blend that out, obviously. And blend. And blend, and blend, and blend, and blend. Hey, and blend, and blend. I am gonna be contouring my nose using that same, I think I'm gonna use the Irreplaceable, but still from the same palette. So a little bit in the middle and on the bridge of the nose, and then we'll just blend that out. Now I'm gonna move on to the eyebrows. All right, so that one is pretty much done, and we'll still shape it with the concealer later, but I just want to make sure that it would actually come up the different color and not look too dark. So just like I would always do, you know, just concealing all around. This helps to like make any parts that were like uneven, make it smooth, just makes it look a lot more put together. Alright, so next we're gonna be working on the eyelids, and you know, the eyelids really just gonna make it all make sense. It's gonna just bring it all together. First, what I'm gonna be doing is putting the base on. For the base, I'm actually gonna be using a flat brush and pat that over the eyelid. So now I'm gonna be going in again with Angel, that color Angel, very like white translucent, and just pat that over it just to make it even brighter and lighter. All right, so I'm gonna be taking a very small brush and just putting it right above the eyelashes. All right, so now that the outline of the eye is pretty much done, so that part that's in the middle, I'm actually gonna fill that in with some white. I'm gonna be using the Trust Issues colors from the Jackie Aina palette, and it's just like a very light shimmer. And we'll put that inside. And now I will do the same to the other side. Now I'm gonna just line underneath my eyes with the same colors. I'm gonna be using a creamy shade. This is a palette from Revlon, Not Just Nude 710. It's a creamy shadow. Next, I'm gonna be going in with the eyelashes. I'm gonna be using these 3D faux mink lashes from this company, CL Lashes, just from my local beauty supply. It was like $1. But yeah, I'm gonna be using these. They're very big 3D lashes. So this is what they look like. Now that the lashes are on, I'm gonna move on to the lips. And for the lips, I'm pretty much just gonna be putting that same color on my lips. And I'm just putting that cream beigey color. I'm outlining my lips. And then I'll just blend it out a little bit. Bring it out towards the middle or the center of the lips. It's kind of like giving like a gray metallic color. I like it. All right, and then right in the middle, I'm gonna put more of that, the same color that I've been using, the Extra AF. I'll put that right in the middle. I'll just put a little bit of glitter just to offset it there. And I don't want it to be matte, so I'm gonna put some gloss over it. And the final touch, I'm gonna be going in with my Urban Decay. This is the makeup setting spray, and it helps with oil control. Right, you guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I style my wig. The company is called FC Lace and the style is Ashley. As you can see, this beautiful model on here. This is just a synthetic, you know, straight out the box wig. I actually paid $25 for this wig, okay? This is what it looks like, very long. But it is supposed to be like a 4-way lace, so you can part it, do a couple different styles with it. That's how the wig is structured, but the combs and everything, but that's how it is. You could do like 4 ponytails. You could do some different styles with it. Now, this is just how it comes, like straight out of the box. It's actually a pretty deep part already, but I actually kind of like the way that the hair feels. It's very soft, very fun. I really love this color. But anyway, I'll be going in, I'll be like taking some water and kind of, you know, styling it, fixing it up. It is very frizzy. First, I'll be putting on my wig cap, and my hair is already braided all the way back, as you guys can see. So I'm be going in and just putting the wig cap on. Like that. And then I'll be taking some of my foundation and just boop, 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 patting that on here just to give it more of like a skin colored tone. And I'm just gonna be patting that on here, especially where your hair starts. You wanna put that there, all where the parts may be. If you decide to do if you wanna do the 4 ponytails or the 2 ponytails, you wanna make sure that wherever your part's gonna be, it's not black underneath, which is why it was good that's why it's good to get the lighter colored wig cap, and then you could just put some foundation on it just to blend it out. I put the wig cap on. I'm gonna actually glue it down. I'm gonna be using my blow dryer just to actually like dry the gel. All right, now I'm gonna cut the band. And the only thing that will be sticking to my head is the actual net part. All right, so now I'm gonna be cutting off the lace, and I'm gonna cut it off with a razor, just so that it's not like super duper straight. Now I'm gonna put the wig on. All right, so this is the wig just straight on. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some little fake edges. I'm gonna be using my rat tail comb and just take a very like thin piece of hair, couple pieces of hair on the side, and I'm gonna cut it a little bit longer, and then kind of see where we're at, and then that way if I need to cut it shorter, I always can. And I'm gonna do the same to the other side. And you're just gonna be laying down your edges. I'm gonna use some edge control here. All right, you guys, and to finalize this look, I'm gonna be putting on, some really fun jewels. I actually found these at Target. Queen for a Day face gem. So just something glittery, sparkly, fun. All right, you guys, so this is the final look, and I have to say I really love the way that it came out. Very fun, very festive. If everyone wasn't on lockdown, you know, this is definitely like a go-to spring break look, festival look. And yeah, just, you know, we would be owning spring 2020, but it's okay, you know, it's all right, it's all right. I brought this look to you guys, so, you know, we could just imagine all the fun things that we can be doing outside in the springtime with this look, okay? You guys, let me know what you think of this look in the comments below, okay? Were you feeling it? Was you not feeling it? Whatever your thoughts are, definitely leave those in the comments below. Also, if you did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? I'm gonna be having a lot of really cool, awesome videos coming up, and you don't want to miss it, like you don't, okay? So make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.